Dear students, I welcome you to the career tutorial. Today we know about the interrogative form of a positive sentence. How a positive sentence can be changed into interrogative. That is called a yes/no question. That question only depends on the answer yes or no without anything. So, yes, I am a teacher. The answer is when we ask someone, what are you a teacher? He will say, yes, I am a teacher. So its question form is are you a teacher? He will answer, yes, I am a teacher or yes. Yes, I have a toy. In the question form, have you a toy? Yes, I have a toy. The question form is have you a toy? The sentence is no, you are not a teacher. Its question will be, are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? I have no toys. I have no toys. It's a question form. There is no question. There is no sentence. No, I have no toys. Have you any toys? The sentence denies to be negative without any helping verb for the main verb have. In last class we have learned about how have can be changed into negative and interrogative. So here is no helping verb for have. So this sentence will be in the help of any. Have you any toys? These are the negative, interrogative and positive interrogative in the form of a question or a frame questioning form. How positive sentences can be changed into in the form of a question. If you just the video, like it and subscribe the channel and follow the next part of the sentences.